it seems to me that you don't believe climate change is real.
I am uncertain.
You're uncertain.
No, I'm not. I'm sorry. I jumped ahead of my climate change is of course real.
Human activity affect climate change?
More than likely, but the extent to which I think is very uncertain. And
Would you rely on scientists to give you that answer or not?
No, I've had that question for a very, very long time.
Do you believe the planet is getting warmer?
Yes.
Because it can be measured. And do you believe carbon dioxide levels have gone up dramatically? It can be measured. Scientists measure it every day.
No, I would not say they've gone up drastically. I know they have risen from pre-industrial times.
So they went up from 295 parts to over 408.
Do you know how much of the excess heat that has been captured by greenhouse gas emissions has been absorbed by the ocean, roughly, say, to the nearest 10%?
I don't have numbers like that. I've read about...
Even to the nearest 10%. Do you know if it's more than 50% or less than 50%?
Could you ask, I'm sorry, but could you ask the question one more time?
Of the additional heat that has been captured in the atmosphere as a result of greenhouse gas emissions, do you know how much of that excess heat has been captured in the ocean? Is it more or less than 50%? Do you even know that?
No.
No, okay.
But I believe there are differences of opinions on that there's not one right answer.
Really? Do you think there's actual serious difference of opinion whether it's below 50%?
And unless I'm mistaken, yes.
You think there is?
Yes.
Serious difference of opinions as to how much of that has been captured by the ocean. You think there's serious scientific opinion that it's below 50%?
Yes.
Okay, wow.
Which of these bars, the red, the orange, or the green, is the highest?
Obviously the red. I view this report really as the product of the past administration.
Are you aware of anything that is happening in the oceans that relates to fossil fuel emissions?
There are probably a number of them.
Name a few.
I have a very superficial understanding.
Coral reefs around the world are dying. Do you consider that an environmental problem?
If they were, I would think it as such.
You say if they were?
I have no knowledge of those issues. I know it is an issue, but I have no specific knowledge.
Scientists are telling us coral reefs are dying, and you say, if it's happening, I mean, don't you believe it is happening based on the reports from around the world?
I would need to read some statement of that science.
Do you think that if the ocean warms, it expands? Does the law of thermal expansion apply to seawater?
Again, I do not have any kind of expertise or even much layman's study of the ocean dynamics and the climate change issues.